Hey everyone, my name is Sam. Today I'm going to talk about making a duet project, and this is my project. My project is I make for my church about database, and I'm going to talk about. Let's hit start. First of all, I hit start, it takes me to login page. I create the login page. When I hit login, first of all I tell you I don't put any password yet. I put like empty string, and later on I will put the user. Only that I put for the user administration, who the person who I put the name can log in only one. Right now I don't put. When I log in, it take me to like in the action form. In my action form, I can add all of my form for I create like my design. It's like group. My action form have group form. So the group form, and so the personal form, donation, administrative, and test. First of all, like group form is take me through the group form, and I can go back and when I see like the C group form, and it's take me to the C group form. Right now I don't add this. This should be in the next time I will add a group user. For now I don't put any code in the group form. I put the code in only in the group, the person form. I put the code. The code is from my SQL server. For example, in here, for example, I put like this read for my SQL server. How is this thing is read for my SQL server? I put like configuration is my configuration is aduet.net church database. That's my database name, and I configure string data, and my medial tier. My medial tier, like I set the string form at configuration, and I call, and this is my database name. And let's go to Management Studio. This is my database. Is I add new query, and how I do is I put excuse, and it's give me record into my purse. For example, this is my diagram. This is my diagram for my management student. When I create this, my relationship diagram is loading. This will take time. Okay, this is my diagram. How I connect like this. The person. This is right now. I only so far I make work on right now. Is the person like person. I first name, last name, numbers. I under city, zip code, state. And when I insert the vowel, and like my first line A011 John Smith number 131. This the under state Renton, and I get like Jack, Trim, Ken, all of this name. And for example, like I do like, for example, se select extract from personal table. When I extract that, it's loading. Oh, first of all I have to take out my insert. Sometimes it's loading. Show me here how I just put for my insert here, and I told you earlier, I make configures connection string to connect my database to C#. in my project. It is my mediator. That's I make like SQL connection, and I make like SQL connection, and I make like personal, and I use also like SQL data reader. For example, like SQL data reader for making this the person for the table, like select for the order by the first name. And let's go back to my design, and let's run again first of all, and log in, and let's go to person, because only so far I make this database work. When you click to, for example, like team, and this read about, like in my text box I make read work trim, and like trim color, for example, like and like this the person ID trim, first name trim color, the first name trim, the last name trim color member, and like this the underscore warmer event or Renton zip code 9 and 1, and it's read in there. This is from my management studio here. Exactly same is I connect my connection string read for my management studio, so my project.
I got the key to full access.
And for that's it. For later on, I will make like update the person and I'll update the database and update the person, and I back also, like I can also, one thing I make work for is I can add from here too. For example, like 1022, the ID number like A1TT. Let's add my name. My last name is Leon. The first name is, let's say, Samuel. Membership is, let's say, I'm new unless 2TT44, and Ken. That's I leave, and my zip code is 98031, and Washington. And I so far only I make this work like add the new person is add up into this list, and if I want that, like when I make add again is the person is available, is 133 is present, is go back to my management studio is display, and when I do that, it will be add up in my row. Let's see. Oh, okay, here though. And how is my, and also my database, I can exit the program. Also, like for my form, I can do, and I can log in. When I log in, I can return to main menu. Also I'm sorry, you one thing I make like anything like for back. This back is like I make the back button to go to the external form. Any form, like I click, let's say I click to like group, I can back to like any form I inherited. I can back to external form. In my external form, and this is my, what I'm going to show. This is my personal info. Like this is the code I make, like back mean like I can back by the external form, and this is how I make I use SQL Reader for reading the personal info, like, and I display down here. That's it for now today. I'm for my project. In future, or I will upgrade and upload more. I'm really thankful you guys all. I'm sorry about you guys may understand me my English accent, but I'm working on my speaking. Also, I'm working on my I'm working on my database to finish up and upgrade more. And for example, like I'm going to make in the future, like I try to make for like a donation, for like group info. In group info, like I can put like the group, I can put the group info name, all the leader name, and like I can add the group for new upgrade, and I can delete the group for my next upgrading assignment. Thank you very so much, you guys all. See you later soon.